up to 160 kilometer at a speed of 800 kilometer. That is jet speed, jet airways speed. 800 kilometer per hour it moves and it travels, and up to 160 kilometer in the coastal areas, inner part. So it destroys like this. The tsunami occurred on the coastal area of Sumatra Island of Indonesia, had affected whole Indian Ocean. It had caused the huge loss of property and death of about 40 million people. Similarly, the earthquake and tsunami occurred on 11 March 2011 AD in the coastal region of Japan, caused the death of 15,894 people. During that disaster, 6,152 people were injured and 2,552 were lost. So in this way, this tsunami is as destructive as earthquake, like the places which they are island countries. In the island countries, mostly they are affected because water covers all the side, and in the middle there is a land. And when water is hit by such kind of tremor or shaking, then water starts flowing rapidly at a large speed, at a high speed, and it covers all the coastal areas and destroys the buildings and kills the people. In this way, Sumatra Island was destroyed and 40 million people were killed by that tsunami which came in Indonesia. And the Japan tsunami also killed more than 15,800 people. In this way, tsunami is as destructive as earthquake for the island countries and coastal areas regions. So we have effects of earthquake and tsunami. What are the effects of earthquake and tsunami? Causes loss of lives and property, we know this. When earthquake and tsunami take place, then loss of life and property will be caused at a great amount. Damages the physical structures like buildings, towers, bridges, houses, all these are destroyed. It spreads the epidemics, leading further problems. So this kind of destruction will bring epidemics, that is transferable diseases, to the people, causes the creation of faults on the earth's crust through which eruption may occur, and earthquake causes the fault on the earth crust, and eruption, volcanic eruption may cause, again another destruction will be there. And the sources of water may appear or disappear. Sometimes sources of water appear on the island in the coastal area, or from under the ground sources of water appear. Sometimes sources of water disappear because it will be covered by the massive shaking of the earth. So these are some of the effects of earthquake and tsunami. Rest measures, all these things we will see. First of all, let me take the attendance, and these attendance also you start shouting. I know I will take from the list. You keep on listening, no problem. Mandeep is present. Mandeep. And Sital Tamang is present. And Samir Bhattarai is present. And Upendra Bhattarai is present. Mukesh Nirola is present. Sudeep Acharya is present. Anu Patrai, okay. Ashish Gimre is present. And then Dipson is present. And then Kushi is present. And then Komalsa is present. And then Kripa is present. And then Prakriti is present. And then Pratham is present. And then Puja is present. And then Purnima is present. And then Praveen is present. And then Ramesh is present. And then Saksam is present. And then Samriddhi is present. And then Saswat is present. And then Siman is present. Srijal is present. Tulraj is present. Usa is present.